Hi folks, this is the latest installment of Gadget Guy and Gizmo. We're doing another unboxing today. There's Gizmo. Gizmo did not pull his weight too well in the last video, so hopefully he'll do a little better job today, put a little more effort. A couple weeks ago we actually did an unboxing of this little guy over here, the GPD Micro PC. I just actually am using it to pull up some of the information on this device that we'll be unboxing, which is the Gravastar Bluetooth speaker. It's made by a company whose name I probably cannot pronounce, but we'll try. We'll call it Zoeao. They claim to be from Los Angeles, California, but I dare say it's really a Chinese-based company, and this item came from China. Gizmo is getting relaxed, getting his game face on. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and open it up. Let's see. It's just kind of a plain shipping box, and if my understanding is correct, there's not a whole lot of packing material in here. Huh. Okay, there we go. I'm pretty sure what I heard was it's just the product box that just barely fits inside this shipping box. So let's see. Alright, Gizmo, what do you think, boy? Gizmo's pretty excited. Yep, he's been waiting for this speaker now. Let's see, we backed this campaign on Indiegogo at the beginning of April. So we've been waiting for a little while for it to arrive. There was some hiccups in shipping. Seems like it took the better part of a month to ship from China. There was some, I don't know, Zoeao didn't seem to have a complete handle on what the problem was either. So I don't really know what all the shipping issues were. Alright, Gizmo's getting excited over trying to chew. Give me that, boy. He's trying to chew up the... What'd you do with it? The cover for the razor knife. There we go. Okay, we still need that, boy. Okay, and like a kid at Christmas, he's more interested in the box. The shipping box. Okay, so let's take a look-see here. Let's not cut the box. Yeah, what do you think, boy? Uh-huh. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got in here. Okay. There we go. Got one more. How did they do this one? Let's see. So like that. Like that. And hopefully we won't be disturbed. We had a family of birds move into our chimney, and they had a bunch of baby birds, and well, sometimes they really get to chirping. The baby birds are not old enough to fly away yet, so. What is it, boy? He's getting impatient. Yep. You've been waiting to see this, boy, I know. Well, get the tape to let go. There we go, sort of. Well, seems like, you know, it's well packaged. It's a kind of a nice box. It's kind of minimalistic, but it does give a few details about the item. It shows a little rendition of the item. The front of it's just got the Gravastar name, partial picture of the speaker, and then again we've got some specs on the speaker. Just to run down the list real quick, it says that it's Bluetooth 5.0. Some other technical details that I think are lesser important. It's got 4 25 milliamp hour batteries inside. It says the battery life is approximately 30 hours at 65% volume. It takes 5 volts to charge, and they recommend a 1.5 to 2 amp charger. The total output of the speaker is 20 watts max. Let's see what else here. It weighs a little over 3.5 pounds, and the dimensions on it, it's just slightly less than 8 inches wide, and again just shy of 7.5 inches tall. Let's see, it comes with a USB Type-C charging cable, and has obviously the commensurate port, and it also comes with a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. Okay, so let's pull it out and see what we've got. Okay, so I got it backwards. So let's see. It comes with, I guess, a little owner's manual here. Yeah, user's guide. Okay, so we'll take a look-see at that in a minute. Let's open up this part. Okay, there's the actual speaker itself, and as people had previously stated, it's bigger than you would expect. Wow, yeah, it's got quite a size to it. There's the back with the subwoofer. Yeah, that's where the magic happens, boy, right? Okay. And let's see, the feet fold out so that you can set it up. It's a really unique looking Bluetooth speaker, and that's what attracted me to it. I guess, you know, I've always been kind of a fan of sci-fi since I was a kid anyway, but this has a real, you know, sci-fi look to it. And when we turn it on, I don't know if we can or not, if it has a charge. It's got green LEDs all over it. Let's see what else is in the box here. We've got the 3.5 millimeter audio cable, and the USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, so we'll set the box aside. Gizmo's giving a little bit of a smell test here. Okay, boy. So let's see if it will turn on for us at all. Wow. Okay, it did come on. So you can see it's got like the volume control up here, and it's supposed to be touch. Let's see. Okay, well, I'll have to read the owner's manual, learn how that works. Hey, excuse me. Gizmo's trying to chew on the owner's manual. That's not how you review a product, boy. Alright, so I believe I read online somewhere that the volume adjustment only works when you're actually playing music. So we'll have to see about that. And let's see, the Bluetooth, I think they said you just push it briefly. Let's see, Bluetooth. It's got the, well, actually to just kind of give a quick rundown of the device. That's the front view, the right side. It's really, there's nothing functional over here. It's just kind of cool to see. Of the back, again, that's where the subwoofer is. We've got the power button. We got the Bluetooth pairing button, and I think these control the lights. So I think you can, once I figure out how it works, you can use it to turn the lights off and on. So, and then over here on the left hand side, it's just basically almost a mirror reflection of the right hand side. Okay, and then the bottom, besides the 3 legs, you have the 3.5 millimeter audio jack and the USB Type-C charging port. Okay, so let's see, let me try again to see if I can put the speaker in pairing mode. Okay, well, it made a sound. Okay, and let's go over to the micro PC and see if we can get it to pair up. Let's see. What do you think, Gizmo? Am I going to the right screen? I think so. Let's see what we got here. Okay. I don't know. I don't see it. So let's try clicking here. We want Bluetooth. Okay. Alright, let's see if it shows up. So far, no. Alright, let's try again. So let's try turning it off. Okay, makes some really interesting sound effects when you turn it off and on. And then let's try turning it on again. Okay. And then, oh, okay, it's already in pairing mode. Okay, so I didn't have to push on anything, I guess, to get in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and select it.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay. Alright, so now we're connected to the speaker. Gizmo is impatient. I think he wants to be rewarded for doing such an excellent job in our video here, even though we're not done yet. So I'm going to pause real quick and get him a treat, and I'll be right back. Okay, Gizmo's good now. He got a treat. Or he should be good. We'll find out. Right, boy? Was that good? You ready to get back to work? Alright, let's do it. Yeah, you know work. Come on, let's do it. Okay, so we've paired the speaker with my little GPD micro PC. So let's try some royalty-free music, as we don't want to get red flagged here. Let's see what would be a good choice. Let's try this. Okay. Now let's try the volume. Okay, so that what I read was correct. So to adjust the volume, you actually have to have something playing on the speaker. But it's just a little touch screen volume control. We'll try it up all the way. Okay. We got Gizmo's attention there at max volume. So I would say all the way at maximum there was just a slight little bit of distortion, but I like the fact that it lets us take the volume all the way up and doesn't limit us in order to prevent the distortion. It kind of left it up to us. So anyway, so it seems like it's got pretty good, pretty loud sound. Let's see, let's try something else. Okay, let's jump it up. I don't know if you can see the subwoofer bouncing around there, but it seems like it has nice depth of sound. The bass is very evident. So that just kind of gives you a little bit of a feel for it. I'm not trying to do some some complete musical review of the speaker, just to give you a little bit of an idea that it does play real sound. It's not real tinny. It has some deep bass to it. Best Bluetooth speaker that I've personally used. I don't own a plethora of them, but I do own several. This one by far has the best sounding bass, and I'd say it's probably a little bit louder than all the other Bluetooth speakers I've tried. But anyway, so this is just meant to be an unboxing video, not a review of the device. We'll come back later, possibly. Maybe we'll do some kind of a review of both the micro PC from GPD and the Gravastar speaker here from Zoeao. Sorry guys, I'm sure I got that wrong. Just maybe kind of a review of them both together. Anyway, so I hope you guys got a little bit of an idea of what the speaker's about. I'm really looking forward to trying it out. It's just got a really cool look to it, you know, with all the LEDs and everything. I'm sure at night it'll really stand out. But for now, that's it from Gadget Guy and Gizmo. Say bye, Gizmo. Say bye to the audience. Yep, till next time. See you guys.